Hey guys, my name is Jana and welcome to my channel Fierce and Feisty Bullseye. Today I'm going to go over with you this awesome tiny little not necessarily needed baby toolbox. And here's kind of the reason why is because if you look, it is purple. And if you know me well enough, you know my favorite color is purple. Okay, so long story short, I was in a tool store. Well, I won't really say the name, but I was in a store that had lots of tools and we were about ready to leave and I saw this little purple baby toolbox and it was the cutest freaking thing I've ever seen. And my husband was like, but do you need that? And I'm thinking, do I? But you know what? It doesn't matter because it's purple and purple is my favorite color. And honestly, I would wear purple every single day if I actually, I wear purple every single day. Pretty sure. Yes. Anyway, and side note, another video will come, but if you ever get a chance to see any of my competitive shooting gear, guess what? It's purple. Anyway, I had to have this thing. It's the cutest freaking thing ever. Do I need it? Probably not. But do I have it now? Clearly. Yes. I bought it. And it's mine. And now what we're going to do is set it up on my little workspace bench back here for all of my pew-pew stuff. And you guys get to experience that because why not? It's purple.
Okay, so I have all these tools that I use pretty much any gunsmithing at all. A lot of them I'll actually take with me to the range or I have double sets. But all of these tools are now going to live in my baby box. That's what I'm going to start calling it now. Although I'm pretty sure baby box is actually a term that's used for other things. But I don't care. Anyway, so I'm going to open this up. Oh my god, it's so cute. Put away my trash or my husband will be very mad at me. Well, first thing I notice is that this sucker needs to be a little bit polished. I'm just using my cleaning rag to polish it really quick. Not that it's not going to get dirty, because I'm pretty sure it's going to get really dirty being in the garage since we're out here all the time with our gun stuff. But for this video, I would like to polish it. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god, look at this freaking thing. Look at this. It is so cute. Look at that. It's got little rolling drawers and everything. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to put some of the more common tools that I like to use into my little baby box. First thing is probably going to be these Allen wrenches, mostly because these Allen wrenches are used for freaking everything. I swear we probably have like 20 sets of these. Who knows where they actually are, but I'm pretty sure we do. And if and I know you guys out there that are watching, you guys probably also have 20 or more sets of Allen key or Allen wrenches. So I don't want to hear it. I'm going to put my Leatherman in here, which one of my besties gave this to me. She is a fellow instructor, and this thing has definitely been used tons of times. My mini screwdriver that literally has been used. I don't even, honestly, I think I stole this from an IKEA furniture put together because it was just perfect and it goes always being used. And these are my little tiny screwdrivers because, as most gun owners know, these baby screwdrivers are needed for just about every single part that's in them. On the bottom here, though, I've got a bigger drawer. So fix-it sticks. If you've ever even been curious about the fix-it sticks, this was the best investment I have ever made in my gun career, because this thing will go with me to a lot of different events and ranges, and it has been used endlessly, and it's got every single thing you could probably need for a gun toolkit that's literally in this tiny little zip up pouch. So if you haven't already, fix-it sticks for sure are a huge, very recommended toolkit to have. So then I've got my birchwood multi-tool. It's got all the different gun tools, and that goes in. There we go. I'm gonna put this little baby right there. Look at that. That is so freaking cute. I love it. It matches all the rest of my purple stuff.
Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on social media. I hope you have a fierce and feisty day. If you're wondering, by the way, why I have this zipped all the way up, it's because I'm in my garage and it's freaking cold. Okay, moving on. Do I? Probably not, but that's okay. Oh my god, I've been staring at the screen. Staring at the screen again instead of the lens. Seriously? Okay, I gotta start over. Again. When will I ever learn? All right. Ready. Okay. Good. Not really. I have like 3 other videos to record.